Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to cast your Android screen to your smart TV. It's easier than you might think and opens up a whole world of possibilities, from sharing photos and videos to playing games on a bigger screen. First things first, you need to make sure both your Android device and your smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is super important, as it's how they'll communicate with each other. Once you've confirmed that, grab your Android phone or tablet. Next, you'll need to find the casting option. The location of this feature varies slightly depending on your Android device and its version. Usually, you can swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for an icon that says something like Cast, Screen Mirroring, Smart View, or Wireless Display. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to swipe left on the Quick Settings to reveal more options or tap an Edit button to add it. Once you've found the casting option, tap on it. Your Android device will then start searching for available devices to cast to. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. A list of compatible devices should appear, and you should see your smart TV listed there. Select your smart TV from the list. Your TV might display a prompt asking you to confirm the connection. Use your TV remote to accept or allow the connection. Sometimes a PIN code will appear on your TV screen, and you'll need to enter that code on your Android device to verify the connection. And that's it. Your Android screen should now be mirrored on your smart TV. Everything you see on your phone or tablet will now be displayed on the big screen. You can browse photos, watch videos, play games, or even give presentations. When you're finished casting, you can disconnect by tapping the casting icon again on your Android device and selecting the Disconnect option. Alternatively, you can usually disconnect directly from a notification that appears on your phone while casting. Remember that some apps, like YouTube or Netflix, have their own dedicated cast buttons within the app itself. These often provide a slightly smoother experience for video streaming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.